Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to check your followers list on Facebook. So let's dive right in. To begin, unlock your smartphone and launch the Facebook app. Ensure that you're logged into your account. Tap on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile. Scroll down your profile page until you locate the Followers section. It's usually below your bio and other profile information. Tap on the Followers section to view the list of people who are currently following you on Facebook. And here, you will find all the followers list. You can scroll through the list to see all your followers. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your followers list on Facebook using your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.